So this is the second part of the chapter number 4. So here we have seen what is solo recital. Up to this much we have understood this chapter. So next is Fishop is a part of this great tradition. The point of a recital is to showcase the talent of a single musician, to show off their mastery of the chosen instrument. The point is that Fishop is a part of this solo recital. Okay, so the point of that solo recital is that to show the talent, that how a single musician has mastery over the instrument they have chosen. Liszt captivated audiences by playing music composed by the great classical musicians from Johannes Sebastian Bach to Frederick Chopin, as well as playing his own composition. So what did Liszt do? He captivated audiences. Captivated means attracted and held the interest. Captivated means he attracted the audiences and held their interests by playing music composed by the classical musicians, and also by playing his own compositions too. Fishop too has been inspired by and has played the musician of Chopin as well as Johannes Brahms, in addition to the more modern composers like the Israeli Paul Ben-Haim. Fishop, he played the music of this classical music of Chopin as well as Johannes Brahms, and also in addition more modern composers was composed. He played those music. He is known for his virtuosity and talent and his creative interpretations of well-known musical pieces. So he is very well known for his virtuosity, means being great skilled at something, means particularly music. See, virtuosity means being very skilled at something. So here he was skilled at what? Music. So, and his creativity and interpretations of the well-known musical pieces. One avenue that Fishop has access to that the 18th century and 19th century musicians he is a descendant of didn't have is the global stage. One avenue that Fishop has access to the 18th and 19th century musicians is that he is a descendant of didn't have is the global stage. He has over 200 recitals under his belt, both in his home country of Israel and abroad. Over 200 recitals he has under his belt, which he performed in Israel also and abroad also. Israel was his home country. Fishop has travelled to and performed as far away from home as Estonia, Spain, Greece and even India. Fishop has travelled to various places far away from his home and performed there. The places are Israel, then Israel was his home country. So the places he also traveled far away and performed, like Estonia, Spain, Greece and even in India also he had performed. When interviewed in India, he said he draws inspiration from music that is foreign to him, like Indian classic music, which he described as like magic. Means when interviewed, means he came to perform in India, then he was interviewed, and then there he told that he draws inspirations from music that is foreign to him. Means the from different countries. He draws inspiration from music of different countries, and especially like Indian classical music. He described Indian classical music as magic. Sorry. He says music from the East inspired famous musicians like Claude Debussy and Maurice Ravel, and that listening to Indian classic music helps him to see these influences in the music of these European composers. He says that music from the East side inspired from famous musicians. Music from the East side, which inspired him, and the music were from famous musicians like Claude Debussy and Maurice Ravel, and that also that listening to Indian music helps him to see the influences in the music of these European composers also. So Fishop's accomplished performances have entertained audiences ever since he began performing, and it is certain he will go far. So his performances have entertained audiences ever since he began performing, means since the time he began performing on the stage, his music attracted the audiences, and it is certain that he will go, and it is true that he will go very far with music. So this is written by Ashwita Jayakumar. So you have to go through the meanings, and you understand this, means you go to the chapter and try to read it, understand it, and then learn the various names and places, composers, this all you learn, also the meaning.